this video, we will show you how to install Piranha GUI on your machine. We recommend installing this on the sequencing laptop to avoid the transfer of sequencing data. Before we begin, please make sure you have administrator access on your computer and a stable internet connection. First, head to the Polio Nanopore website, click on Piranha to enter Piranha GitHub page, scroll down and click on the Piranha GUI GitHub page. We will start by installing Docker Desktop, because Piranha GUI depends on Docker to run. Click on the link to Docker Desktop download page and select the version that matches your operating system. In this video, we are using a Windows system. Once the installer downloads, open the file to begin installation. Click Install and wait for the process to complete. Once the installation finishes, restart your computer if required. After restarting, launch the Docker Desktop application. You will know it's working if it says Engine Running in the bottom left corner of the Docker application. To install Piranha GUI, go back to the Piranha GUI GitHub page and click on the link to the Releases page. Download the corresponding asset for your operating system. In this video, we will download the Windows.exe version for our Windows system. Once the installer downloads, open the file to begin installation. Once the installation is complete, you can launch the Piranha GUI application.